We say that we are as old as our spine. So, and with the sedentary life that we're having nowadays, I think it's important to give some attention to our spine. So I will give you just a simple exercise, two exercises, one that is associated to primarily focusing on the breath, huh? And the lower abdomen all the way up to the chest. And after that, really more focusing on the spine. So the first, okay, we're gonna inhale and inhale, spread. So we inhale from the bottom all the way to the chest, and then we will exhale and we will round, emptying the chest, emptying the abdomen. Inhaling all the way up and exhaling all the way down. Okay, so let's start with this little exercise. So at first you inhale, fill your abdomen, fill the solar plexus, fill the chest, and open your shoulder blades. Try to touch your shoulder blades together. And exhale. Sink the chest, sink the solar plexus, and sink the abdomen. Try to touch your forearms together. Inhale from the bottom all the way up. Open the throat, and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And let's speed up a little bit. Move your hips forward, backward. Open it up, up, chin in. Big one. Hold it. Contract the abdomen, solar plexus, and chest. And exhale. Align your body and allow all the energy to pour down into the ground. Very simple exercise to do first thing in the morning. It activates, warms you up, calms your mind down, brings you back into the body. The second exercise is spinal cord breathing. So that means like as we're gonna breathe, we're gonna focus, bring our attention to different parts of the spine, the lumbars, the thoracics, and the cervicals. Okay, we want to open every single vertebrae. Every single vertebrae connect to an organ. Okay, so it is the electrical power feeding that organ. So it's very important. It's very important to provide to the organs the proper electrical current. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to move the spine as a wave like this. Okay, so as I'm going down, I'm arching and I'm bringing the lumbars down, thoracics, and the cervicals. And then I'm going to breathe from the tailbone all the way up, lower back, middle back, upper back, neck, all the way to the crown. And I'm gonna arch and go down. And up, inhale from the tailbone. So all your mind is directed to the spine. Inhale, lower back, middle back, upper back, neck, crown. So you start having a wave. And down. So make sure that your mind guides the chi, guides the energy. So your mind is in the lower back, middle back, upper back, neck, crown, and down. Exhale. First the lumbars, second the thoracics, and the cervicals, and up. You can do this for as long as you can. Try to do at least 36 rounds, and then we're gonna do the opposite. So we're gonna dive, exhale here. Then you open here and you breathe from the base. And sink, and feel the movement of all your vertebrae. Exhale and inhale. And dive. Inhale, lower abdomen, solar plexus, chest. Get back on your base, your tripod, both of your knees, sitting bones. And feel the spine. Inhale up your spine, then down your spine. Feel your spine opening, hands sinking, opening.